Do you want to earn $400 per day just by watching videos online? Welcome to the world of online earning, where making money is as simple as watching videos, clicking on ads, and referring friends. In this guide, we're going to show you, step by step, how to turn these everyday activities into a steady stream of income. We will introduce you to platforms like YouTubes and Grindrbuck, where you can start earning just by logging in and watching videos. We'll also share tips on how to maximize your earnings and how to unlock passive income. Imagine earning hundreds of dollars per day doing something you probably already do in your free time. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And we're here to show you how. With the right approach, you could be earning hundreds of dollars per day doing something as simple as watching videos. Stay tuned and let's dive into the exciting world of online earning. The first step is to sign up on YouTubes and Grindrbuck. Now, we all love to watch videos online, don't we? But what if I told you that you could get paid for it? Yes, you heard right. These platforms pay you for doing just that. Let's break it down. First, let's visit www.u-cubes.com and register for free. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and password. Remember to confirm your email to complete the registration process. This is your gateway to earning cash while enjoying your favorite videos. Next, we move over to Grindrbuck. It's a similar process here. Visit www.grindrbuck.com and sign up for a free account. The sign-up process is swift and straightforward, and just like YouTubes, you'll need to confirm your email address. Now you might be wondering, how do these platforms work? Well, it's quite simple. YouTubes and Grindrbuck are platforms that reward you with cash or points for watching sponsored ads or videos. These points can then be converted into rewards like PayPal cash, gift cards, and more. It's important to note that the more time you invest in watching videos, the more you earn. It's all about dedicating a little time each day to these platforms. You'll be surprised at how quickly your earnings can add up with just a few minutes of video watching daily. And the best bit? There's no limit to how many videos you can watch, meaning there's essentially no cap on your earning potential. Imagine earning while binge watching your favorite shows or while taking a break from work. It's as easy as it sounds. Now that you've signed up, the world of online earning through video watching is at your fingertips. You're all set to make the most of your screen time and turn it into a profitable venture. After signing up, you're ready to start earning. In the upcoming scenes, we'll dive deeper into how you can start earning on YouTubes, maximize your earnings on Grindrbuck, refer friends for more earnings, and unlock passive income. So, stick around, and let's transform your video watching experience into a money-making adventure. Now, it's time to start earning on YouTubes. And don't worry, it's as simple and enjoyable as watching your favorite shows or videos. So, how do we make this possible, you ask? Let's dive in. Once you've registered and logged into your account on YouTubes, you'll see a variety of options on your dashboard. But the one we're interested in is the Earn tab. Give that a click and you'll be directed to a page filled with earning opportunities. Among these options, you'll find one labeled View Sponsored Ads. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find a range of short videos to watch. Don't worry, they won't be hour-long documentaries, but fun and engaging clips. And the best part? You get paid for each video you watch. Yes, you heard it right. They pay you to watch videos. But that's not all. YouTubes also offers another unique way to earn through the Kimi Wall. Imagine binging on your favorite shows and videos and getting paid for it. Sounds too good to be true, right? But on YouTubes, it's a reality. The Kimi Wall is a treasure trove of videos from various genres that you can watch to earn additional cash. This means more fun and more earnings. So what are you waiting for? Start watching, start earning. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy watching videos, and at the same time, you're making money. It's like getting paid to have fun. And the best part is there's no limit to how much you can earn. The more videos you watch, the more you earn. YouTubes is not just about earning a few bucks, it's about transforming your leisure time into a money-making opportunity. It's about making the most out of your time and turning it into a profitable venture. So whether you're a student looking for some extra pocket money or a professional looking for a side hustle, YouTubes offers a versatile platform that caters to everyone. With YouTubes, you can turn your viewing time into cash. So go ahead, start your journey with YouTubes and make your time count. Grindrbuck offers another avenue for passive earnings. Let's dive right in and see how it works. Grindabuck is a unique platform, not just for its lucrative earning potential, but for its user-friendly design and multitude of earning methods. One such method is the passive earnings section. It's like finding a gold mine that keeps on giving. Exploring this section is a breeze. Just log into your account and navigate towards the passive earnings section. Here you'll find an array of options, each promising to add value to your Grindabuck experience. But the one that stands out, the gem among the stones, is Hideout TV. Hideout TV is where you can sit back, relax, and earn. It's as simple as clicking on the option and letting the videos roll. You could be having your morning coffee, doing your chores, or even working on your next big project, while in the background, Hideout TV plays and your points keep accumulating. It's like having a money tree that keeps bearing fruit. But what good are points if you can't use them, right? That's where Grindabuck shines again. It offers an easy and straightforward process to convert your points into rewards. And these aren't just any rewards. We're talking about PayPal credits, gift cards from your favorite brands, and so much more. It's like your hard work, or in this case your passive watching, gets rewarded in ways that suit you best. So to recap, Grindabuck provides a wonderful opportunity to earn passively through its Hideout TV feature. You watch, you earn, and then you convert those earnings into rewards that make sense for you. It's a win-win situation. This method is not just about earning, it's about making the most of your time. It's about turning something as simple as watching videos into a chance to earn. And the best part? You're in control. You decide when to watch, what to watch, and how much you want to earn. Grindabuck is a great platform for earning while you watch. So what are you waiting for? Let the videos roll and let the earnings flow. You can boost your earnings significantly by referring friends. Let's dive right into it. Grindabuck, like many online platforms, operates a referral program. Simply head to the platform, locate your unique referral link, and now you're ready to start inviting others. Now you might be wondering, where do I find people to refer? Well, social media is a good starting point. Facebook in particular has numerous groups dedicated to making money online. Join these groups and participate in the conversation. But don't just spam your referral link. Instead, craft an engaging message. Something like, interested in a site that pays you to watch videos? Drop an info comment below. Then, when people respond, you can message them with your referral link. Remember, the more friends you refer, the more you earn. So don't hold back. Referring friends can be a great way to increase your earnings. Now, let's talk about how to maximize your earnings. You've started earning, but there's always room to grow, right? Absolutely. One effective strategy is to attract more referrals. How do you do this? Well, it's all about making engaging posts that spark interest and curiosity. The more engaging your post is, the more likely it is to attract potential referrals. Next, consider scaling your efforts. If you're only reaching out to a handful of people, why not double or triple that number? The more people you reach, the higher your earning potential. Finally, don't forget about the power of consistency. Keep watching videos and referring friends. It might seem like a slow process at first, but over time, these small amounts can add up to a significant sum. Remember, maximizing your earnings isn't just about working harder, but also working smarter. With these strategies, you can maximize your earning potential. Ready to take your earnings to the next level? Here's a bonus tip that might just blow your mind. Imagine making over $40,000 per month. Sounds like a dream, right? But with YouTube automation channels, it's a dream that could become your reality. These channels are designed to generate revenue without requiring your constant attention. They're like a money-making machine that keeps working while you sleep, eat, or even when you're on vacation. The beauty of YouTube automation channels is that they're scalable, meaning you can start small and grow big, really big. So how do you get started? Click the first link below this video. You'll find a step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process. And don't worry if you have questions or need clarification. You can book a call to explore these opportunities further. By unlocking passive income, you can start building your path to financial freedom today.